客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, I'm Joseph Lin, and here's another Hakka song by Misa. This one's called Kong Yin Chim, or Hide and Seek, and it's inspired by a short story by a Japanese poet, Shūji Terayama. Now, through this dark and humorous song, Misa warns that avoiding challenges is like playing hide and seek with the world, which eventually leaves you disconnected from it. So let's take a listen to Kong Yin Chim. 这首歌是 Misa 的空引擎，就是捉迷藏的意思。而他透过这黑色幽默的歌曲啊，想告诉大家，人啊，如果一直逃避困境，就像在跟世界玩捉迷藏，最终呢会跟世界脱节哦。Hope you learn a little bit more about life through the song 空引擎。I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.